Hey everybody, this is Thomas Love, and but you knew that. Hey, I just want to let you know that I got the two new things today. Well, actually, the other day. I did take them out of the Amazon box. I got the control ring. I'll show you that one. That one has the inner circle, has the circle within the. I'll show you that in a minute. But I did get the Canon. I know it says R here, but it is the RP. It is the least expensive full frame mirrorless camera from Canon. I go through so many cameras, I just beat the hell out of them. So what I do, so I buy the lower end ones because I beat the heck out of them. All right, so let's do an unboxing. You can see just your standard. I don't know why I got a blue dot here, but I did. And it's Wi-Fi enabled and Bluetooth and everything else, and there it all is. All right, let's open it up and see what I've got. All right. Standard equipment. Thank you. The manual, we'll keep that in the package. No big deal. Alright, put this. One. Wow. That looks a lot thinner than my other one. Hold on one second. Wow. Here's my old. I've got the Canon 6D little thing here, and you can see that it is a good couple of millimeters thinner. It actually looks like the old ones. So if you're asking me, I like the bigger, thicker ones from the 6D or 70D or the one camera strap. So I'm going to keep this one and use this one. But you can see, and it does say Canon RP on it. Let's see what else we have here. All right. This looks like I got the battery and I got the thing, so let's open this up. Pretty standard. This actually looks like the batteries that go on. Actually, this looks thicker. Hold on one second. Let's see what I have. Hold on. Hold on. Oh. All right, I have these are a little bit thicker than the more, oops, take out the cover. They look very similar, but they're just about a millimeter thicker than the other ones, than the little tiny ones that go on. Maybe this will give us more power. These, with the other ones, just don't give us enough. So let me put this away. So I do that. All right, and it does fit. Standard little thing. All right, hold on one second. Get out of here. But this is what you wanted to see. Oh wow, this has a nice size to it. Really? All right, you can see my Canon M50. That's what battery I was using with the old one in the background for video. But it does look like maybe I don't. Usually the on-off is on the right side, but the on-off is on this side. All right, you can see that it does have the traditional professional style dial. It does have the program, TV, AV, manual, bulb, and you can save your selections in case you shoot something unusual, theater, night shots, fireworks. You can pre-select these and memorize them, so you don't have to do it every time. You can also, oops. Then it has the movie, scene select, and the whole works. It does have the quadratic marker on it. It does have a lock, so you can lock this down. Autofocus, the traditional buttons. These are more like on the small end camera, the little dial. This is what you want to see, I know. Let's see. It does have an output, a mic. These are really tough. Oh, and it even has the little, oh, it does have the smaller one. There we go. so you can see. All right, let's put those all away. Wow, those were pretty. You have to make sure that they go in just the right way. Hold on one second while I put them back in nice and perfect. All right. Well, that looks pretty darn good. I didn't get a native lens. I do have the lenses that go with the camera though. So let's take these out and let's put over here. Let me do that. All right, everything looks great.